Introducing the 2017 Toyota Camry. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 25,000 miles. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a leather steering wheel, remote keyless entry, and more. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Comprehensive safety includes row curtain airbags and stability control. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.